Hello. In this video, I will share with you Vivo T2 5G and Vivo T2x 5G are a 5G mid-range smartphone equipped with cutting-edge features to provide the ultimate mobile experience and popularly used in the world. There are important points that we'll show you in this video including, first, display and camera, second, performance and battery, and third, storage and connectivity. Let's watch it as follows. 1. Vivo T2 5G. The Vivo T2 5G smartphone has an FHD plus AMOLED display for easy access and immersive viewing. The 90 Hz AMOLED display allows you to multitask easily. It has a 64 MP OIS anti-shake camera that allows you to capture steady images. This smartphone features a powerful Snapdragon 695 for smooth functioning. The FlashCharge enables you with fast charging and determines the optimal charging strategy if the phone is in use or if the screen is off while plugged in. This smartphone allows you to use multiple apps at the same time, thanks to its extended RAM 3.0. The Bokeh Flare Portrait makes you stand out in the crowd, so that you can take stunning photos. Vivo T2 5G display and camera. Vivo T2 5G comes with a 6.38-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display is HDR10+ certified and has a peak brightness of 1300 nits for better viewing under daylight conditions. Besides, the screen refreshes at 90 Hz and offers up to 360 Hz touch sampling, making it ideal for streaming content, playing games, or browsing the web. The phone boasts a dual camera setup at the rear, which includes a 64 MP primary sensor and a 2 MP secondary depth sensor with autofocus. The camera system also has an OIS feature that assists in capturing steady shots. At the front, the phone has a 16-megapixel selfie shooter that promises high-quality, detailed selfies. The highlighted camera features are night mode, slow-mo, time-lapse, panorama, portrait mode, etc. Vivo T2 5G performance and battery. Vivo T2 smartphone is powered by a 5G-ready Snapdragon 695 chipset, a high-performing mid-range processor that promises smooth and responsive performance. The chipset is coupled with built-in 6GB RAM and 6GB of virtual RAM, ensuring that the phone can handle multiple apps and tasks with ease. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 13 based on Android 13, which offers a user-friendly and customizable interface. The smartphone's 4500 mAh LiPo battery supports 44W FlashCharge technology, which enables fast charging and quickly top up the battery bar. This means that you can get back to using your phone quickly, even if you're running low on battery. Vivo T2 5G storage and connectivity. Vivo T2 5G smartphone comes with 128 GB of internal storage, which could be sufficient for most users. However, it also offers a micro SD card slot that can be used in case of extra storage needs. On the connectivity front, the phone is a 5G-enabled device and also has 4G and VoLTE. It also supports dual SIM cards, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.1, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Besides, live location tracking constellations such as GPS with AGPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo are present. 2. Vivo T2x 5G. With the superb Vivo T2x 5G, you can take advantage of great pictures and a flawless user experience. With the Vivo T2x 5G, you can experience exceptional performance owing to its 7nm 5G CPU, the octa-core Dimensity 6020, with a top clock speed of 2.2 GHz. Additionally, the 50 MP main camera on this smartphone beautifully catches every detail you see. Additionally, Super Night Selfie employs noise cancellation technology in conjunction with an Aura screen light to produce a calming light that is effective in low light. The pioneering extended RAM 3.0 technology also uses ROM to expand RAM with a maximum capacity of 8 GB. This enables smooth app switching and allows up to 27 active applications to run in the background. Vivo T2x display and camera. Vivo T2x 5G is fitted with a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS touchscreen display. The screen is bright and sharp, making it perfect for streaming videos and playing games. The display has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels and 401 ppi, ensuring that all content is clear and crisp. Aside from that, it offers 360 Hz of touch sampling, making swiping and scrolling smooth. In terms of the camera, the phone features a dual camera setup on the backside. It houses a 50MP primary Super Night camera that captures stunning photos even in low-light conditions and a secondary 2MP macro camera with autofocus. Additionally, the front-facing camera is an 8MP sensor that takes sharp and detailed selfies. Vivo T2x performance and battery. Vivo T2x 5G is a beast with its MediaTek Dimensity 6025G processor and extended RAM of 4 GB. Moreover, it comes with built-in 4 GB RAM and a Mali G57 GPU that can handle even the most demanding applications with ease and provides a smooth and lag-free user experience. Besides, the device runs on the FunTouch OS 13-based Android V13 operating system out of the box. The battery of this Vivo phone is another standout feature. With its 5000 mAh battery, the phone promises to deliver a long-lasting power backup. Aside from that, the device also supports 18W fast charging, which means that it can be charged up quickly when needed. Vivo T2x storage and connectivity. Vivo T2x 5G comes with ample storage space of 128 GB, ensuring that users have enough room to store their favorite apps, games, and media files. Additionally, it has a microSD hybrid card slot that can be used in case of extra storage needs. The phone has 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack in terms of connectivity options. Besides, it supports GPS for online location tracking. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.